Hello you beautiful people, and today's recipe, Chicken Tikka Masala. Here's what you'll need. So the ingredients for this one, I've got 900 grams of boneless chicken thigh. I'm going to use half a cup of Greek style natural yogurt, and in this little jar here I've got 1 teaspoon of Garam masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri Chilli Powder, and then we're going to use a tablespoon of garlic paste and a tablespoon of ginger paste. And the lemon juice, we're going to use 2.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, a teaspoon of salt, and about 2 tablespoons of oil. So that's what we need for the marinade. So the ingredients you're going to need for when you come to cooking, I will show you later on in the video. It saves me getting them out tonight to put away to get them back out tomorrow. Right, so let's get on, chop the chicken up, get it in the bowl and get it all marinated. So with the chicken, we just need them into bite-sized pieces. Right, so that's all the chicken chopped up, so I'm going to add the half cup of yogurt, all the spices, tablespoon of ginger paste, tablespoon of garlic paste, and then with the lemon juice, obviously if you've got fresh lemons that would be better, so 2.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm just going to use a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of oil. And just get mixing it all together. And that's it, guys. All we need to do now is pop that in the fridge for, well, mine's going to be in there for 24 hours. If you're having it the same day, a minimum of 2 hours. But with anything when it comes to marinating meat, the longer the better. Right, see you tomorrow. Right, it's the next day, so the ingredients for the sauce after we've sheared the chicken. Right, so I've got 2 medium onions. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. And in this jug here, I've got 1.5 cups of tomato sauce. And in the other jug, I've got 1.25 cups of cream. And I almost forgot the turmeric. We're going to use half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and about 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1.5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. That's not tomato ketchup, that's tomato sauce. This tomato ketchup is what we're going to put in at the very end. And then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri methi. Now you will need some vegetable oil, but I'm going to use some ghee. You don't have to use ghee, it's just I've got it, so I'm going to use it. And maybe a pinch of salt for seasoning, depends how you like your sauce. Let's make a start with the chicken. Right, that's the chicken all nice and charred. So I'm going to add in the onion into the same pan. You may need to add a little bit more oil, but I think there's enough in there. I'm going to fry these down until they're nice and golden. Right, now the onions are cooked down. Okay, so the onions have browned up nicely, so I'm going to add in the garlic and ginger. And we're going to fry that down so it loses that raw taste. Next I'm going to add in the tomato sauce. We're just going to leave that to simmer for a few minutes. Right, next I'm going to add in all the spices, but not the Garam Masala. We're going to add that in later and mix that in to allow these spices to cook. Okay, so what we want to do now is add in the chicken. Mix that all together so you get all the chicken coated. So we get a nice sauce. We're going to add 2.5 cups of water. Mix it in. And to this, add the teaspoon of Garam Masala. And give him a stir. And now all we need to do is leave it for 10 minutes. Just let him simmer away. Right, that's been simmering away for 10 minutes. So now we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. And apparently doing this, we're supposed to give it that kind of nice sweetness. And just stir him in. Smells delightful. To get it nice and creamy, add in the cream. And give that a mix in as well. Oh, look at it change colour. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so I'm going to give this sauce a little taste. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is absolutely lovely. There's absolutely no need to add any sugar. There's no need to add any salt. That is absolutely lovely. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to add in the Kashmiri Methi. I never know if I'm pronouncing that properly. So I'm going to add in about 2 teaspoons of that. Mix that in. That's it. It's more or less complete. So the methi, as I call it, will kind of give it that authentic Indian taste. But if memory serves correct, I think Chicken Tikka Masala was an English dish and not an Indian. I could be wrong, don't quote me on that. Let's give him a taste with that in. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is the best Chicken Tikka Masala I have ever tasted. That, oh, fantastic. So that's it guys, that is done. I'm just going to leave mine on a low heat because I'm just waiting for the rice cooker, which has got 13 minutes left, and I'm going to plate that up. But what we can do is give it a little taste test. Right, so we've got a little plate, a little spoon, just one little bit there. I'll best get another piece out for Mrs. Boss to try. She can have small one. Okay, so let's have a look at the chicken. Oh, look at that, just falls to bits. Right, have I got you in shot? Yeah, so that is lovely and done. Right. Wow. Not too spicy. You've got that little bit of kick. Lovely, creamy. And with using chicken thighs, yeah, the raw chicken thighs, boneless chicken thighs, the chicken is moist, tender, and obviously it marinated overnight, so it's really got that flavour in there. Honestly, that is the best chicken tikka masala you'll ever make. Better than all that frozen rubbish you get out at supermarket, frozen aisle. Give this a whirl, and it's worth marinating the chicken overnight. Whew, absolutely beautiful. Mrs. Boss! See what she thinks to it. I'll have to take it to her. Right, give that a try. She won't go on camera, she's in her PJs. Let me put a light on. Oh, it's a what do you think?
Tastes like proper.
Yeah, better than them more out at frozen aisle. So there we are. Right, just wait for my rice cooking, and then jobs are good in. I'll bring you back when we're plated up. Right guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget, leave a thumbs up, subscribe below, it's free, and we'll catch you in the next one. Love you, bye.